Hey everybody, we're back. It's been a while.
Hey.
This is Rose and
Josh.
Okay, we're here in the kitchen right now because actually Josh is making his
Let's make a chicken salad.
chicken salad. I always ask him to make this for me because I love it. So right now, he's just actually, what are you doing, Ma?
I just bought a rotisserie chicken. You can buy it in any shopping market.
Yeah.
I got this one from Sam's Club. It's like $5. I'm just removing all the chicken.
Mm-hmm. And then,
And then
what are you gonna do after that?
once this is all cut up and torn apart, then gonna mix everything with we have sliced almonds right there, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard. Show them the cutting board, all the vegetables and fruits.
And my task is we got Winter over here. Hey, Winter!
Getting big.
He's getting bigger and bigger. He's our, I don't know, assistant, I guess. So I'm over here in the dining table, and my task is to chop up and cut these. We have dill, parsley, onion springs, celery, and then I'm also gonna chop, slice red grapes and the green grapes. So stay tuned, and we're gonna show you the finished product, I guess, a little bit soon. All right, bye. We'll bring you back to the kitchen. All right, Ching, tell them to just hang in there.
Just hang in there.
Okay, we'll be back, guys. Bye. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to be chopping all the celery, scallions, the parsley, and the dill. I cut it all up. Oh wait, I still gotta do my grapes. I still have my grapes in here. But I am going to put all these in a bowl. And then I have to cut these up still. So I'll be back. Bye. Okay, so now I am going to cut these grapes. We got green grapes and red grapes. The green grapes, we just cut them in half because they're a bigger size. And then the red ones, that'll be cool. Alright, and then we'll show you guys when we are actually mixing all the ingredients together so you can follow through. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so now that we had cut up everything in here and the chicken, so we have, what do we have?
We're just gonna mix everything together.
We have mayo, that's some salt,
Pepper, almonds, Dijon mustard.
sliced almonds, Dijon mustard, and a little squeeze of lemon.
That's it.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
Give me the other pan, the other bowl. Just put it on there.
I'll just put it on top.
Yep.
Got it.
Oh yeah, I washed my hands. Okay.
That. I'm dropping stuff on the floor.
And the almonds.
Okay. I wash my hands too. Like a handful?
Yeah. You just gauge it. I mean, it just makes it like a little crispy. Good, another one. Another handful. That should be good. That's it. Then the black pepper. Should use the other side. Oh wait, stop. Mayo first, actually, so we can see how much black pepper we put. This is very hard. You're only in one hand. The thing with chicken salad is usually it's pretty demanding. You make like tuna, you don't use as much because it's wet. Egg, you don't have to use so much because it's wet, or it gets squished. Let's try that. No, one more. No, one more. Okay, go ahead. Then put the black pepper on top of the mayo. Keep going. Keep going. Spread it out. Spread it out on the mayo. Okay, that's good. And the mustard. I'll tell you when. Just squeeze it right in there. Squeeze it into here.
Oh, should I shake it first?
Shake it now. Cover it, shake it. Okay. Right in there. Okay, that's it. Then the lemon. Alright, I didn't get the seeds. Okay, give me the blue, the bowl. Got the seeds in there. And the other lemon. Okay. And that's it. Just mix it up.
And we'll show you guys the finished project. You just have to like really mix it up really good. Mix all the ingredients up. And we'll see the final product soon. It's my chef, Chef Sabato.
Keep going, need more chicken.
So everything's all mixed up. And we're gonna actually give it a taste test.
It's a little on the wet side, but
yeah,
you just add more chicken. To make
all
it drier.
right. Hold on. Okay, the red grape and the green grape.
Put enough in there for both of us. You don't have a double scoop.
Okay.
So eat half of it.
That's big enough?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. I'm going to taste test that. It's a little blurry, but whatever. Mmm. Now I want it on bread or crackers. Really good. So good. So that's how you make a simple chicken salad sandwich, guys.
Not simple.
Okay, whatever.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
It's very tedious, but that's how you make them. So homemade too. That's the best. So we're gonna pack this up. We'll bring this with us for the weekend. We'll probably eat some. I'm kind of hungry actually. Follow us, like, subscribe. East Coast Passion. Bye. Thank you.